Indonesia expects the East Asia Summit will serve as a regional platform which helps countries strengthen mutual trust and intensify cooperation at a time when the world is tormented by conflict.
Perjalanan ASEAN memerlukan sebuah komitmen yang berkesinambungan.
Speaking at the 14th East Asia Summit Foreign Affairs Ministers meeting in Vientiane, Laos over the weekend, Foreign Affairs Minister Retno Marsudi said the Indo-Pacific is and will remain the world's epicenter of growth. However, the ongoing conflicts around the globe are hindering nations from tackling common challenges. Minister Retno emphasized the importance of all countries consistently respecting international law to put an end to conflict. The minister also invited EAS member states of the East Asia Summit to unite and contribute to efforts to end hostilities in Gaza and Ukraine. Retno Marsudi called for EAS participating countries to ensure peace and stability in the South China Sea as well as the Indo-Pacific. She added EAS countries should also play an active role in preventing and stopping wars while relentlessly voicing the urgent need to serve justice and protect human rights. Speaking about East Asia's future, Minister Retno asked EAS states to strengthen the role of their ambassadors to step up regional cooperation.